I will show you the best ingredients you can mix together with coffee to boost that crazy hair growth, to thicken up your hair, grow your hair super long, healthier, stop hair breakage, hair fall, thinning hair, regrow your hair in crown section, and also give you that voluminous thicker hair you desire. Please, if the video sounds like what interesting, you need to watch the video to the end to get all the instruction on how to make it and also how to use it for best results. First thing is to bring my clean jar. My first ingredient and the main ingredient on today's video is coffee. Use any brand of coffee of your choice, but make sure the coffee you are using contains caffeine on it, because the caffeine on it is what help promote hair growth. Okay, so use any one you have at home. Coffee helps to stimulate hair growth, strengthen the hair follicles, okay, make your hair appear shiner and promote faster hair growth. So I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of my coffee. My second ingredient is gloves. Gloves enhance blood circulation. Gloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activates and they encourage hair growth. Gloves contain vitamins, mineral and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall healthy hair. So I'll also be making use of 1 tablespoon of my gloves. If you have the powder gloves, you can also use 1 tablespoon of that. My next ingredient is my moringa powder. If you have fresh leaf or dry leaf of moringa, you can also make use of it. Moringa contains vitamins, mineral and fatty acid that nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Moringa contains zinc, iron and calcium, which can help strengthen hair and prevent split end. Moringa contains antioxidants that can protect hair from damaging caused by free radical and oxidative stress. Moringa contains omega-3, which can help retain moisture in the hair. Moringa contains biotin, which can help to increase the oxygen supply to the scalp. So I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my moringa powder. My next ingredient is rosemary leaf. I'll also be making use of 1 tablespoon of my rosemary leaf. Rosemary boosts hair growth, improve circulation to the hair follicles, act as antioxidants, improve scalp healthing and strengthen hair, protect hair from against hair fall and hair loss, and also stimulates hair growth. My next ingredient is cinnamon stick. If you have the cinnamon powder, you can also make use of it. I make use of 1 stick of my cinnamon. Cinnamon improves blood circulation. Cinnamon stimulates hair follicles. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and the antimicrobial effective. Cinnamon increases collagen production. Cinnamon prevents hair loss. There's so many of them, okay? So I just break my cinnamon and pour it inside my jar container contain my other ingredients. Next thing is to pour in hot water into this mixture. Guys, these ingredients are the best ingredients you can mix together with your coffee to get the best results, to boost that crazy effective hair, to solve that hair fall, itching scalp, thinning hair, and to give you that voluminous healthy hair you desire. So I have shown you the ingredients you can combine together to get best results while using coffee. Next thing now is how to use this, okay, to get best results. So I'm going to turn this around. I will use my cover to cover it. I would like this to infuse for 12 hours. After infusing it for 12 hours, we'll be right back for the next process. Please do not boil this. If you want to get the best benefit of this, try to do infusion method. In that way you will get the best results than doing boiling method, okay? Unless you want it to be faster, but I will advise you should try to do infusion method. Maybe you can infuse it only by 8 hours than you doing boiling method. Please try to take this advice I gave to you. if you want this recipe to give you that faster results, do infusion method, okay? So after 12 hours, my tea spray is ready to be used. Do you see how the color have changed? Everything have changed. Everything have released their nutrients into this water, meaning this water is very potent and very effective to give you that results you desire. So I bring my bowl and my shift cloth to shifter this to collect my tea spray. It's very necessary to use something that have very tiny holes so that you will not have residues of that powder ingredient to use on this ingredient, unless you don't use powder ingredients, okay? After straining it, I pour it into my spray bottle for easy application. Due to how rich, how potent this tea spray look like, that's how you to condition your hair, promote faster hair growth, give you that best results. So I will show you the best way now to use this tea spray to boost that crazy hair growth. This is how my hair is looking like. My hair is in cornrows. So the one of the best way to use this to get that amazing results is to use this on your protective hairstyle. If your hair is not in protective hairstyle, just try to do big mini braid or mini twins. Keep your hair away. Protective hairstyle means anything that you are not manipulating your hair by combing your hair. It can call it protective hairstyle. So putting your hair in a big twins or big braid is also a protective hairstyle, okay? So that you not be combing your hair always, be touching your hair always. Whatsoever that help you to stock your hair away called protective hairstyle, okay? So use this under your hair, spray it very well, hydrate your hair very well. To activate the tea spray for you to get best results you desire, warm the tea spray before you use it on your hair. Don't use it on a cold form. Warm it a little bit so that the tea spray will be a little bit warm so that it can stimulate blood flow faster in your hair. This way you get the best results and faster results so fast. Apply the tea spray on your scalp generously and also on the strands of your hair. This is the way for you to use the tea spray to get that best results. If you really want the tea spray to work faster on your hair, don't rinse it out. Allow the tea spray to sit on your hair and do that great work it meant to do on your hair. You can also use this as a final thin rinse after shampooing your hair. Doing all your wash day routine should be the last stage of your wash day routine. Pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp properly, cover your hair with your steaming cap or your shower cap. Then leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove it and rinse it out and follow up with your moisture. But leaving the tea spray on your hair without rinsing it out is the best way to see that faster crazy results. If you are using it as a leave-in tea spray, make sure you moisturize your hair properly. Don't use the tea spray without moisturizing your hair. Use your leave-in conditioner or your hair butter. Follow up with your oil. The oil I'm using in this video is my coffee oil. That video I will link it down below. This coffee oil is a mind-blowing oil. It will help a lot to grow that faster hair growth. Using the tea spray with using this my coffee oil is a game changer. It will help to boost that crazy hair growth. Make sure that you see in the moisture with your butter and your oil. That's where you get the best result in this recipe. Massage your scalp properly. Take your time to massage your scalp gently. I have bonus tip to share with you to make this product to work more perfectly well on your hair to see that best results. After massaging your scalp, cover your hair. Leave it to steep for 20 to 15 minutes. Remove it and allow your hair to air dry. You can use your steaming cap or your shower cap or your cellophane nylon to cover your hair. Covering your hair with this recipe is a game changer. It will make this recipe to work very fast. If you want that faster crazy result with this recipe, cover up your hair, but make sure you massage your scalp properly. 10 to 15 minutes or 5 minutes massaging your scalp before you can cover up your hair. After covering your hair for 15 to 20 minutes, remove it and allow your hair to air dry. Repeat the same process anytime you use this recipe. In a very short period of time, your hair will be too thick for you to handle. You will regrow down your edges, sticking up down your hair, stop hair fall, and so many other things that this recipe will help you for. I hope this video is very helpful to you. I want to know if you'll be trying this recipe or have you tried before. Let me know in comment section below. What do you think on today's video? Let me know in comment section below. Please guys, if you have not subscribed, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing video like this. And please, if you have not liked this video and you find this video helpful, please click on that like button for me. It really encourages me to put more good content out there, and also it helps the growth of the channel. And please help me to share this video to your family and friends so that they will know how to use coffee to grow their hair like never before. I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.